Hi, my name is Ashish. This is the Infrastructure as a Service Microsoft Azure exam code 70-533, and we are here with a new video which discusses about automation script and disk caching of an Azure VM. Okay, so we are logged on to the portal, and if you will type in automation here, you'll see an option which discusses about automation script. This is the resource that we created. We created a VM in the Azure. Either you can use the portal or you can use the partial scripting as we discussed in our previous videos. When the machine is created, you'll see the automation script section in the left pane of the VM properties, and you'll see here that Microsoft Azure has given us different options to create a template. It's the command line interface, the partial, the code in the .NET and Ruby. So it gives you an option. It is a template of the machine that I just created. If you just copy paste it in the integrated script editor, you'll see the whole line of code that is running at the back end through which this VM was created. And you can change this code as per your requirement to create a template to deploy future virtual machines. Like you can, let's say you want to create a different template to only deploy the 2012 data center machines. You can use this template, and which has the size of standard P1S. So you can deploy the template. You can use this as a template to create the machines which are 2012 data center and are of the size standard B1S. And you can anytime download this template. You can save this file. You can add to the library. You can deploy it. If you'll just click on deploy, it'll say it is a custom deployment. Your subscription would be pay as you go, or the number of subscriptions that you have. You can edit the template. Resource group, if you want to deploy the same size of machine in a different region, you can select it. You can use the existing resource group, and then you can click OK. So it will create the same configuration machine in a different resource group and in a different location. If you want to edit the template, it will also let you change the, let's say default name is coming as Azure Test VM. You can change it Azure Test VM 2, and it will automatically change it at every location in the template. See, it used to do it. My bad, it won't. You have to change it because, oh, this is the network interface. I thought it's the name of the VM that is coming. So whenever and whole lot of things, the storage account, the virtual network, the VNet, the resource group, then you can again load this file because you edited this template, and then you can load this, and then you can create the machine. So that is how you make the changes in the automation script section of the virtual machine, and then you deploy it. Okay, now I'll show you the disk part that I was talking about. Let's quickly go on to the disk section. If you don't see any option here that you want to go, you can just click on, you can just type in here and it'll pop up that option for you. So as we say, we have only one disk. This is my operating system disk. The name of the VM is Azure Test VM. You say the host caching is read and write. My bad that I created the B series of virtual machines. I'll not be able to show you how to edit it, but I'll show you the place where you can edit it. So by read and write, the host caching is the time it takes for the operating system to read and write the process input from the disk. You can change it anytime you want on the Azure VM. You just go on to the disk section, click on the name of the virtual machine. It will take you to different options. The size is by default. Performance you see is the IOPS limit is 500. This depends upon the size that we selected. Here, if this machine would have been this Okay, and you can then change it from read write to read or write. So that is how you change the disk caching of a disk of the Azure virtual machine, and make sure you want to change it. It should be other than the series of L and B, and you will be able to change the host caching. So I hope this session was informative to all of you. We learn what is automation scripting and how you can change it, how you can make the use of the templates to create another set of virtual machines, and what is the disk caching in the Azure VM. So as always, please like and share this video with your friends and known persons, and please don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Please mention your comments in the comment section and help us to make more topics videos for you. If there is any specific topic that you want us to create videos on, please mention that in the comments and feedback section. It'll help us more to create new videos for you. So thank you and have a great day ahead.